In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively dial a contact using Microsoft Teams. If you've ever found yourself uncertain about how to connect with someone directly through Teams, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together in a clear and straightforward manner. First off, familiarize yourself with the Microsoft Teams interface. If you're already logged in, you should find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll see a suite of options along the left side, which is essentially the control center, where all your main functionalities are located. To start dialing a contact, you need to navigate to the chat section. You'll find this option on the left-hand panel. It's symbolized by a speech bubble icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your conversations page, displaying both your recent chats and options for starting new ones. Once in the chat area, the next step is identifying or finding the individual you wish to dial. If you've previously messaged this person, they should appear on your list of conversations. Simply click on their name to open your chat with them. However, if you haven't communicated with them yet, you'll need to use the search bar located at the top of your screen. Type in the person's name and Teams will display relevant results. When you see the correct contact, click on their name to open a new chat window. Now that you have the chat window open, take a look at the upper right-hand corner. Here, you'll notice a small telephone icon. This icon is your gateway to initiating a call. With a simple click, Microsoft Teams will immediately begin dialing the contact for you. That's it. In just a few clicks, you're ready to connect with your contact via Teams. This feature is designed to make real-time communication as seamless as possible, enabling you to move from typing to talking with minimal hassle. A quick tip to keep in mind: ensure your microphone and speakers are working properly before making a call, and always check your internet connection, as having a stable network will significantly improve call quality. With this guide, making calls through Microsoft Teams should now be a breeze. Remember to explore more of Teams' capabilities to get the most out of your communication needs. Thanks for watching today's guide, and I hope you found this walkthrough useful and enlightening. Happy calling with Microsoft Teams!